Welcome to Wilcom Embroidery fonts. If you're not aware of it, every single font that you have loaded into your software automatically can be used within the monogram features of the software itself. I can type in whatever letters I want, so I'll do a monogram with WEF, and all I have to do is click the style that I want and it'll automatically change the layout for each of those styles. I can very easily grab those objects, and the same tools for kerning and adjusting the letters applies within your monograms as it does your lettering features themselves. You have advanced tools for changing the letter spacing, the slant, the width. So anything that you want to do with regards to monograms, you can very easily change at the click of a button. Now you also have the ability to go in and modify all of the fonts the same way you normally would. So you have virtually unlimited control of each of the fonts and the monograms. Depending on your software, you also have automatic borders and designs that can be added in to your monograms, which gives you unlimited possibilities. Now we also have ESA files that are set up specifically to be three-letter monograms, and you would not go into the monogram feature to use these, you'd actually go into the lettering feature. But you can't just type in the letters because you have no idea which the left, center, and right side's characters are. So you'd go to the Insert Character tab and it will bring up a screen that will show you all of the letters and give you a visual display. So if I want to do WEF, I'll do the W, which is the lowercase w, I'll do the E, which is the letter E uppercase, and then the F is actually assigned the number 6. So under my selection I have WE6. When I click OK, it'll bring it up on screen. I can adjust the letter spacing if I want it to be a little bit tighter together. I can also go in and hit the H key, and I can manually move objects exactly the way you would with any of the other ESA fonts.